Hi guys, today I'm unboxing my Boxycharm box. I'm not sure if this is the premium or the regular, but we're gonna go ahead and open it really quick. And it looks like it's the premium box. And here is a sneak peek as into what's in there. The first thing I'm pulling out is this Fenty Beauty Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. It's just a brush, looks like. It's Fenty Beauty. Let's see, super cute. It's got white packaging. And it's just a little brush. You just, which I think will be great. Yeah, I think it'll be good for contouring, for drawing a little line, blending it out. So that's cool. I like getting tools. There's that, and the brush, and you just pull this part down. Bam. I'm just gonna say I did not get a pamphlet. Usually I get a pamphlet right on top, but this time I don't have one. So, oh, this is kind of open. It was already like twisted off. So the next thing I got was the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. And this is my choice item, so I'm pretty happy I got this. And that's what it looks like. Let me see. Just dab a little bit and put it on my hand. It's kind of thick. What it looks like. Yeah, it's fairly thick. It feels nice, but it rubs in the skin really nicely. So that's that. And it smells really good. It smells like lemons, so I like that. The next thing I got, I'm kind of happy about this, is the Fairy Balm shimmer powder. If I can open it, I got it in Coppa Chill. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's nice and pretty. It's really pretty. Okay. Ooh. So it has like one of those pull tabs on it. So you just pull it up and just don't pull it all the way off, so you can re-shut it, I think. I'm just gonna take a little bit off of the top, and it's like in there. Let's see. Ooh, that's what it looks like when I just put it on this hand. I don't know if you can see it, but that is really pretty. Let me rub it in. Let me get some more, actually. I think I might actually use this. Oops. I took the whole thing off. So, like, I got all this product out. I'm just going to stick that in the box since I'm not going to use it now. And I got one little ball that came out. And that's what it looks like. I think I'm not going to use this as a highlight, but rather a eyeshadow. So that's really pretty, and I'm really happy to have that because I really wanted to try it out. The next thing I have is this MAC satin lipstick in Spirit. So that's nice. I've never, actually I have had a MAC product, but it was like their lip glosses. I don't think I've ever had their lipstick, and this is their classic packaging, the bullet style. And here's the lipstick. It's a nice brown. Let's see if I can swatch it really quick. Ooh, that's so beautiful. I love that. That's right up my alley. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put some on. Let me wipe this off really quick. I'm just gonna use this as a mirror because it's super reflective. I don't even know if you can tell, but I really like it. It's like the perfect color for me. It's my color, my type of color. So yeah, I really like that. Dermalect. This Dermalect extra large lash volumizer. So is it just like it says it's excellent for eyebrows too. Specially formulated to target thin, weak, brittle lashes. Okay. It's supposed to transform lashes to appear longer, thicker, fuller, and stronger. We'll see about that. Let's see what it looks like. So it looks just like a mascara. And open it, and it is like, that's the wand. That's the wand. I don't know if you can really see it. I'm trying. There we go. That's the wand. Actually, I'm gonna really quickly put a little bit on my lashes because I've never used a product like this. So yeah, it's just like a serum for your eyelashes. It's not doing anything. There's no color. I mean, unless I'm not doing it right. Yeah, it's definitely a serum because it is like leaving a little bit on my lashes. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I don't think I've ever had a product like this, so I will try that out. My only thing is like my eyes are super sensitive. And the next thing I'm pulling out is the Editor palette by Ciate London. I think the packaging is really pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. That's super pretty. Oh, oops. Well, that's down. And it comes with a huge mirror. Like, that's a pretty decent size. And then here's all the colors. And they're super pretty. Like, I really like that. And let me just swatch a couple. I'm gonna swatch this red. Ooh, that red though. That is so beautiful. Let's swatch this green. That green. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. And it swatches like almost perfectly. Let's try this matte brown. This matte brown right here. Oh my gosh. It's like butter. It's beautiful. I'm gonna try one more. We're gonna do this gold because I usually, that's my go-to is a gold, a nice beautiful gold. I need to do another swatch because that one was kind of flaky. Okay, you see it at the bottom right here. It's barely showing up, but it's really pretty. And I'm super happy to get it, and I probably will be using this in a look soon. A premium box. Let me look up the information on these items. Yeah, I didn't have a card in here for some reason. Usually I get a card, so I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, so for Boxycharm Premium, you get 6 to 7 full-size items for $35, and it says the value should be up to $235. So we'll test that theory. Let's see. Okay, so this is valued at $65 according to Boxycharm. The Dermalect is valued at $49 according to Boxycharm. The Ciate London palette, the New England Editor palette, which is very beautiful. I love this palette, is valued at $32. And I have to look up the other 3 items because they're not, maybe I'm just not seeing it. So I'll be right back with that information. Okay, the Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder. This is worth $28. The Fenty website, contour and concealer brush in number 150 by Fenty. On Sephora it is $24. And then this MAC Bullet Lipstick, satin lipstick, is worth $19. So my overall value of my box this month is, for my premium box, is $217, and I only spent $35. And they say it is supposed to be valued at up to $235. So that's a really good deal. And it's really great to be able to try new products and, you know, see what you like, see what you don't like, and grow your collection. All right, so if you like this video, please comment down below and tell me what your favorite product was. And like and subscribe, and, you know, hit that notification button and get notified on when my videos drop the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.